kind of short in my camera too.
Yeah, see, there you
There
go.
you go. Stand up on your tippy toes. So we're at the St. Louis Zoo today. We want some good place to go to get barbecue, and we saw this place really close, Hogtown Smokehouse.
It's
We went
really
there.
good.
It was really good.
Oh boy.
I mean, I love my barbecue, and this is like some of the best barbecue I've ever had.
Yeah, and even the beans.
And the beans were good. I had the pit
The
beans.
salad, potato
And
salad.
the pit beans
Oh,
had a sausage and like
Brisket.
brisket in it, some cheese in it. It was really good. It's kind of spicy too, because those beans aren't gonna let you forget them after a while. You're gonna remember those a little bit. And I had the hot Hogtown sandwich, which is it was really good. It has everything on it. It has brisket, sausage, fried pickles, and jalapeno slices. And it had the sausage, and it was really good too.
yeah, it's really good.
It was really good. And
Yeah.
what'd you have? The potato salad.
Potato salad, which is really good too.
Yeah, that was good too. Everything has so much flavor. And
It
so
is.
if you're ever in St. Louis, you got to go to Hogtown. I've been to
Yeah.
the other famous place in here once, and I really wasn't all that impressed. But this place impressed me, blew my socks off. So enjoy. Everyone's kind of looking at us as they're driving by. So if you're in St. Louis, come here. If I'm in St. Louis, I'm going to come here again.
Yeah.
Take care. After a day of exploring around St. Louis, went to Hogtown Smokehouse. Hogtown Smokehouse. I got the brisket sandwich. Look at that. And Lisa went with, what did you go with? Chicken?
A sausage?
Chicken
No.
sausage?
No, I don't know. A sausage.
Sausage. Looks good. The barbecue sauce. Is that the... that looks good. Is that the
Potato salad.
potato salad? Looks good. I got the beans. Well, look at that. That's like beautiful.